Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the ECOVACS DEEBOT N30 OMNI Care Robot Vacuum and Mop, a truly innovative cleaning solution that promises to make your life easier. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the DEEBOT N30? This smart robot is designed to vacuum and mop your home with remarkable efficiency. It combines advanced technologies to not only keep your floors clean but also to relieve you of the burden of manual cleaning tasks. Imagine coming home to spotless floors without having to lift a finger. Let's talk about some of its standout features. First up is the all-in-one OMNI Station. This station supports automatic mop washing and self-emptying, which means you won't have to worry about constantly emptying the dustbin. With a 2.6L dust bag that can hold up to 75 days worth of dust, you can set it and forget it for weeks at a time. To top it off, the hot air drying function ensures that the mop stays fresh and odor-free after each cleaning session. Next, the suction power of the DEEBOT N30 is nothing short of impressive. With a powerful 10,000 Pascal suction capability, it tackles dirt and debris on various surfaces with ease. Whether it's pet hair, crumbs, or dust, this robot vacuum is equipped to handle it all. Another remarkable feature is the TruEdge Adaptive Edge Mopping technology. This advanced system excels at cleaning edges and corners with incredible precision. It uses a hovering arm and smart algorithms to achieve 1mm accuracy, ensuring that those hard-to-reach areas are cleaned thoroughly. Plus, the mop automatically lifts when it detects carpet, preventing cross-contamination between floors. The DEEBOT N30 also boasts the dual OZMO turbo spinning mopping system. This feature mimics human hand movements, applying consistent scrubbing pressure to lift even the toughest stains. You can customize the water flow via the app based on your floor type, guaranteeing the best possible cleaning results. When it comes to navigation, the DEEBOT N30 is equipped with advanced TrueDetect 3D 3.0 technology for precise obstacle avoidance. It quickly creates detailed maps of your home using TrueMapping 2.0, covering up to 100 square meters in just 6 minutes. This ensures that your cleaning experience is efficient and smooth, without the risk of it getting stuck or damaging your furniture. For those of you with larger homes, the DEEBOT N30 delivers an impressive 320 minutes of runtime on a single charge, thanks to its powerful 5,200 mAh battery. This means you can clean up to 550 square meters without interruption. If the battery runs low, it intelligently adjusts its charging schedule to resume cleaning tasks as soon as possible. Maintenance is also a breeze with the DEEBOT N30. Its design allows for easy cleaning, and the filter system offers up to 150 days of maintenance-free operation. Plus, the long-lasting solid cleaning agent can provide up to 30 days of deep cleaning. Finally, the smart control options are a game-changer. With the ECOVACS Home app, you can customize your cleaning settings, adjust suction power, regulate water flow, and schedule cleaning sessions right from your wrist if you use an Apple Watch. So, who is the DEEBOT N30 best suited for? If you're a busy professional, a parent, or someone who simply wants to spend less time cleaning, this robot vacuum and mop is a fantastic choice. It's especially beneficial for pet owners, as it effectively manages pet hair and dirt. In practical use, you can set it to clean while you're at work, returning to a clean home without any effort on your part. With its robust features and user-friendly design, the DEEBOT N30 can significantly enhance your cleaning routine and provide you with peace of mind. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.